Hey moms, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be deep cleaning a disaster of a kitchen. You guys just wait till you see how messy my kitchen was. Also, I'm gonna be organizing and cleaning out my fridge, which I haven't done in like a year. I mean, we clean it out and we wipe it down, but I haven't like deep cleaned it for like a year. And I got stuff to organize it, so I'm super excited to get that done with you all and hopefully motivate and inspire you guys to clean your homes. If you're new here, I just launched this YouTube channel called Rise Up Moms. I'm going to be doing recipe videos, home organization, DIY cleaning, things like that. But yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. But don't go. Stay, watch the video.
First things first, I was really craving some chocolate cupcakes, so I found this paleo recipe online and it is so good. I didn't have any coconut sugar this time, but it is amazing. It's so moist, so delicious. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on this recipe and maybe some other paleo dessert recipes. I don't know about you, but I am a total food dancer. Now I am just unloading the clean dishes so I can fill it back up again with dirty dishes. How many times a day do you have to run your dishwasher in your home? Leave a comment down below, I would love to know. After putting that away, I'm just spraying everything down with my favorite spray. It's Thieves by Young Living. It's absolutely amazing. I usually just spray everything down, then let it sit for 10 minutes because that'll sanitize everything, and then wipe it down. It cleans everything. I use this on my counters, in my microwave, on my fridge, on the cabinets. I use it for absolutely everything. I love that it is toxin free and I don't have to worry about my kids getting sick from it or ingesting it. It's totally safe for the whole family. Bonus, it cleans really well too. Look at this. Look at the shine it leaves, you guys. I am blown away by this stuff. Now we do the fridge. I just sprayed Thieves all over it, let it sit for a little bit, and now I'm wiping it down. I'm going to do the same thing for the inside of the fridge, spray everything, let it sit for a little bit, and then wipe everything down. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I had to show you guys. I just wanted to be real, like this is how bad my fridge was. And I'm just kind of wiping all of the debris down to the ground because I'm going to vacuum that up. I'm making sure to get the walls, the sides, the backs, the front. I am getting it all, girl. And now we're all clean. It looks brand new. So for my fridge, this little piece comes out and I was actually really surprised with how much gunk was stuck underneath it. I don't even know how that happens, but check to see if your fridge has this and you can clean this really well. Time for the freezer. I don't even know where this stuff comes from. Now I wipe down all of the condiments. I do this pretty regularly, so they weren't that bad, but I still just wanted to spray them and wipe them off. These containers are from Amazon. They're very affordable and they seem like really good quality. I'll leave the link down below in case you want to purchase them for your fridge organization. I actually put the dustpan in the dishwasher to clean and sanitize it. It gets it spotless and it's effortless. Anything to save me time, I am all about. And now I'm using that same Thieve spray and I'm spraying my floors down, letting it sit for a few minutes. And then I got a dry Swiffer and just swift everything away. This is not how I normally deep clean my floors, trust me, but this is something really quick. I was tired and it was very late.
Hey, it's me again. I just wanted to give you an update on the fridge. It is fully stocked now, so I just wanted to quickly show you what it looks like in there and how I kind of rearrange things. We put all of our condiments there, which I think that basically looks the same. And then we have some leftovers, our eggs, potatoes, and onion and stuff right there. We love citrus, as you can tell. We have plenty of almond milk and juice. And then I put greens down here. Before I had the celery and carrots out, but I noticed that it was going bad faster. So I just put that, get that container in here, and there's some avocado in there and they stay fresh. Yeah, so a little hack is we put a paper towel in with our greens and it helps it to last longer. And then in here we have some fruit and tomatoes. So yeah, that's the fridge. And then for the freezer, we still got our little smoothie station. We got meats in here. Let me pull it out. So it's really cool. You can just pull it out and file everything away. So we got some fish, plenty of ground beef, and chicken. All right, we got more veggies coming. We got veggies right here. It's cool because you can just kind of stack them. Plenty of bone broth ingredients, and then a whole chicken. And then right here we just got some extra chicken and yogurt, some steaks, and extra bacon. I hope that this inspired you to clean out your fridge. If it did, I would love to see pictures of that. You can find me at riseup.moms on Instagram and tag me in your posts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell right next to it so you don't miss out on any further videos. I believe that as we rise up together, we can change the world. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.
Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do.